telling you to go. Telling you to go. Telling you to go.
¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te ¿Qué te importa?
Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. telling you to go. Telling you to go.
Chat, how we doing, everyone? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon. What is poppin', man? Who's here? Come say hi. Pull up to the streams. It's a good day today, chat, I can't lie. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be an interesting one, but a good one. All right, let me start this shit up. Give me 1 second here. Yo, chat, I can't lie. Wait, 1 sec. Oh shit, what did I do? All right. Chat, we're out here, man. What's good? How we doing? What's poppin', chat? What is poppin'? Hopefully you guys are good, man. Welcome back to the streams. What's good, Danny? What's good, Raze, DB, Levi? Nicholas, what's good? Daddy SG's back. Crazy. About time? Yeah, apologies. Apologies. Yo, I can't lie. I was trying to fix some things. Chat, look at this. Wait. So I went to turn on my studio lights, right? So I have like LEDs that run up this little like alcove bit here, right? And I went to turn them on to get that ambiance. Bro, my cat chewed through the fucking wire. Look at this shit. I was like, why is it not working? I was trying to turn it on, trying to fix it. She chewed through this shit when it was connected to the electricity. Bro. Are you joking? It's got teeth marks all over it and then it's just completely cooked. Yeah, man, not really ideal. So that's why I was late. Apologies, chat. Fucking, I swear I'm gonna box this cat at some point. Anyway, what's good, Rosie? All right, chat, look, let's get into a breakdown right now. So we had some serious news last night, right? Ceasefire between Iran and Israel. Big news. Which is why gold is pushing down right here. You'll probably, did NQ hit an all-time high again? It was making its way up, what I saw last time. Yeah, it did, right? Or no, it nearly did. It came close. Yeah, so that's what I expected, to be honest. But anyway, gold's starting to make a push down here. So realistically, weekly time frame flip bearish. Daily time frame, no top wick, still bearish. Previous one closed like doji. So this is very interesting. You got room on the daily down towards like 08, to be honest. That gives you like 14 pips of room, something like that. Sorry, 140 pips of room. $14 is what I was thinking about. 4 hour as well. Opened up top wick first, closing below the level. You got room as well down on the 4 hour till 05, 06. 1 hour closing here in about 12 minutes. What I'm thinking of right now is this. You have a no bottom wick candle here on the hourly previously. You should come down and grab that at some point, right? Structure on every single time frame is bearish now. 2 hour and 4 hours are top wick only, so that needs to flip as well. So if this hourly can close nicely here, we can look at some sells anticipating that 2 hour and 4 hour flip, right? Where did you close here as well? You have a level 24, is it? Yeah, 24 is the level here that we closed below. You actually, this would be a fake out if you close below this level as well. And then you do have an area here, to be honest, but I do expect us to continue past that anyway and like fill the range down. As well as that, if you can close below 14, you do have room even further, right? You have room all the way down towards, I would actually even say towards 33.03 here. So that's what we can look at today, chat. I think sells are the move right now. It's ripping before the close, as always. If we can pull back a little bit here in the last 11 minutes, we can look at the sells. If it makes the bottom wick now, that's like your advantage point, right? That makes it very difficult. Very difficult. In EU right now, buys or what? Presume so. Basically at the monthly open, we can flip on the monthly. Oh, yeah, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, you could flip on the monthly here as well. Very interesting. I just didn't want this 4 hour to flip before we got in, but it looks like you probably are going to flip here in the next 10 minutes. Which that was actually our advantage point, right? But now we can also use it as a correlation. The 4 hour is bearish. Stops right now for these sells would be not too bad. Actually, even up here would be okay. Yeah, like, it's going to be 90 pips roughly. 5 minute structure's bearish, 15 minute structure's bearish, 30 minute structure's bearish, 1 hour structure's bearish. Everything's bearish now, chat. So I think in 10 minutes we can be looking good for some positions here. I'm not going to lie. I ain't gonna lie. This is what I'd say if I was American, but I'm not. We basically, yeah, with the various trend, it's looking, yeah. I read that. What's good, Will? You took anything today? No. Was it 24 level based off of? This area here to the left is where we close respecting, right? You have like a level on 24. So I think we had like a fake out off 24. It's been a really strong level in the past as well. So you closed above it. Like every time you close above it and then close back below, you do start to rip down. Problem is the 4 hours now flipping already, which is tough. I see, thanks. Yeah, no worries. No worries. Chat, again, I'm without socks and I need some socks. No. I have no Nike socks. I'm not wearing unbranded socks. Fuck that. I can't run, chat. 4 hour flipped here. No. That's crazy. That was our advantage point. We just pushed down how far here in the last 10 minutes? 50 pips. Ugh. Serious volume now, chat. Problem is now it could flip here on the 4 and then do anything, right? I mean, it should continue down, don't get me wrong, but I'm going to want to see like some form of a closure here. There's no point me taking a position right now when I could just wait for the 1 hour close and take something based off of that, right? That makes the most sense to me. You also probably end up getting a better entry as well. Been waiting for this monthly flip since the month started. Crazy. Chat, let me take yesterday's trade taken off. We don't want to leave that there. Chat, by the way, yesterday I dropped the free WhatsApp group. If you haven't already, go check out my Instagram story to apply for that because, or the Discord. It's going to be super valuable. We're still processing the applications right now, but it's literally free, by the way. We forgot to mention it. But it's extremely exclusive, right? We're limiting the numbers to like literally double-digit numbers, right? Not even 100 people in it. So if you can get in there, it's going to be insane. Push in here, chat. 5 minutes, still no top work. My application was horrible. Never texting and driving again. Don't worry, D. I'll get you in there. So luckily, I have some sway over the application process. Bash. Drop the link. What's this going to be about? There's going to be loads of shit in there, man. It's going to be like... well, first of all, it's full of profitable people. So it's going to be like conversations about how to scale it and shit like that. It's also going to be about... Like, I'm going to give daily analysis. We're going to do like strategy talks. Yeah, Ray's just dropped the link. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, Blizzy, send an application, my bro. Chat, see what I mean? Look, you came and grabbed that bottom wick and now you started to reject a little bit. Just pressed on your stream and entered longs. I'm so cooked. You entered longs. Why? By accident or what? Maybe an in-person course? Who knows? Wait, actually, let me try something. Does that look better? Oh! I feel like that lighting's way better. It's less cold, a bit more orangey. Makes me look tanned. How much for the group? The WhatsApp group's free, my bro. The WhatsApp group's free. I made you guys think I was charging, eh? I guarantee most people thought it was a paid group. The way I was talking about it on the street, on the stories, I guarantee everyone was like, "Oh shit, it's gonna be a paid group. It's gonna be a paid group." Guys, do you not know me? Do you not know TRLS? Do you not know we're here for the people, right? Do you not know we give free value? Free value first, always. You guys don't understand that or what? Like, bro. All we do is give value. Literally all I do is give value for free. Cannot beat it. TRLS on top forever. What's on the WhatsApp? Feet pics. Exclusive videos. And yeah, no, I don't know. So go, let me do the payment for the mentorship. Bro, you get 10 times more in the mentorship, don't worry. Did you know you could change MT5 in dark mode? Yeah, I made a video on that yesterday. It came out yesterday, but I made a video on it ASAP. What's good, Nicholas? Sent you a DM. Why? What? Few pics, say no more. Yeah, trust me. Chat, look at this rejection here. What did I say about this 5 minute? See what I said, right? Chat, did you see what I said about this being your advantage point? Like, I wanted the sales to come down and make that bottom wick. It's now done it and rejected. Remember when I told you I had a TP at 3280? I do. Are you still in that? Actually, not so far away. Yeah, it's true. It's true. The wicks are not looking good. Yeah, the wicks are interesting. We'll see how the 5 closes. Because now I don't want to take a sell into a support here. The 1 hour is clean, but how's your day going so far? Hit the gym yet? Nah, I'm gonna hit the gym after stream today. I went shopping this morning. I didn't even trade. How much do you think a trip to Cyprus costs? Depends where you... Bro, if you go from Germany, you can get there for like 100 euros. If you go from the US, it's a little bit different, right? It's not expensive, bro. Especially with Mr. 10K payout right here. Chat, by the way, D just got another 5K payout. That's 2 on top. Let's put a W in the chat for that. That's insane. Big W indeed. Mr. 10K over here. 10K in a week. Bro's about to start making generational wealth. See any missiles? Nah, none. I'm gonna hit you up for some tips if you don't mind. Yeah, rental room, message him, man. Five minutes is closing. I was about to say 5 minutes is closing, but it's actually the 1 hour closing here in about 1 minute here, chat. 1 minute to the hourly close. I realistically do think sales are still valid, right? But the only problem is I don't like that rejection off the level. However, the structure is still bearish, so if we can just continue down. But this 15 is not nice. Buy limit 33.10. I don't fancy buying gold today, bro. I can't lie. With the news that came out yesterday, I do not fancy buying gold. One minute here, chat. 1 minute. By the way, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. I appreciate it very much. Let's see if we can grab a position here now. Made 1.2k in the morning. Gold buy. W, bro. I'm not saying you shouldn't. I'm just saying I don't want it. Oh, shit. Wait. I need to open my broker. Yeah, the MT5 dark mode actually goes crazy, chat. It's actually pretty sick. I don't like this rejection though, chat. I really don't. Bottom wick first. Are you taking the piss? Chat, it's kind of no bueno, I'm not gonna lie. Have my entire family on baby pips, they all got super motivated and stuff. W, bro. Chat, look at the new dark mode. This shit cooks. MT5 dark mode goes crazy. I actually think it looks so sick. Like the toolbar at the top and everything. Way better than the light mode, to be honest. Let me get this guy off here. How to turn on dark mode? Just go on view, color themes, dark. So go to the top, click view, and then go color themes and then dark. Chat, we came back down here. I did expect us to come back down, but look, guess what you have now? You have some bullish closures and now a bottom wick first. For all I know, this could just push back up here. I'm not saying it will because we still are bearish here, but unfortunately there's not a trade for me right now. It's a little bit tough, but it is what it is. Chat, by the way, how's your guys' day been going? Have you guys got any positions, any dubs from you guys yet? Do we have any trades in the trade review? Danny sent one in, yes. Oh no, D sent one as well. Edit, it hit 65. Hey, you hit TP on that yesterday. Let me see. Oh yeah, I took this trade. I think I took this trade. Was that, when was that? Last week or yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday, yeah. I think I took this on an evaluation. It was a really clean position. Oh no, this is the one I took in the morning. That's the one I took in the morning off stream. I took 3 trades yesterday, so I couldn't remember which one it was, but yeah. Nice, bro, congrats. Yo, why is that? It just multiplied. Yeah, exact same one I took. Yeah. Missed the morning Asian waterfall. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. I was actually up during Asian last night as well. I'm never normally up during Asian chat, but yesterday I was stayed up. And yeah. 2 dubs and 1 L today. A sell for 30 pips, then a small goofy trade which turned into a revenge trade and lost the initial profit. Third sell was a sell that got me another 20 pips. All right, bro, W. Try and avoid those revenge trades. Obviously. SG in a black tank top. Bro, these tank tops are goated, I can't lie. These tank tops are goated. I'd literally just copped like 4 more of them. Because I always run out. I literally had 2 before and I always run out because I wear them straight away. But chat, they're literally H&M tank tops, €7. Taking the piss, man. So cheap. I might buy 100. So I never have to wash them again. I'm joking, I don't do my own washing. What's up, bro? I must say I'm so proud taking the same trade as you without seeing anything you did. Yeah, Danny, good shit, bro. I think it was a very clean position. I don't have a chest yet, skill issue. That is a skill issue. I can't lie, my chest is too big for these tanks though. So they're not like, they're tight down around the waist, which I like, but they're also tight on my chest, which is not as good, but I've gone from 180 to 169 and my girl started harassing me, I'm not safe. Victim weight or what? Chat, my cut started though. I'm gonna be victim weight very soon. Actually, I don't know if I could be victim weight. I'd have to lose a fucking load of weight to be victim weight, I think. I think starting off my cut, I started off at around 97.5 kilograms. Victim weight is crazy, and any higher I look too fat. Oh, harassing me like that. Okay, I get it. That's good though, bro. If you're trying to cut and you drop down, that's sick. This year's the first year that I've done like a proper bulk. Like a relatively decent bulk. Before that, I haven't really been too interested in it, but I've been smashing it recently. Can DXY help us in placing a gold trade? It can. You can use it as like an inverse correlation, but I don't really use it, to be honest. Because DXY is pushing down now. But so is gold at the minute, right? So it makes not really much sense. Clean or dirty bulk? No, I did a kind of a mixture, to be honest. Like not really a dirty bulk. I don't need to dirty bulk, right? I put on weight so easy. I put on weight ridiculously easy, chat. Like, give me a little bit of food and a gym, I'm gaining weight. Like, no doubt about it. Oh yeah, shit, Blizzy, thank you for that, bro. By the way, Blizzy, how you doing, man? CPI? Nah, it's CAD CPI. It doesn't really make a difference. It's Canadian CPI. I don't think it's gonna play a big impact. I mean, it might, but CAD CPI is what we do have later though today, chat, is we do have Powell is doing a little speech at 3 p.m. So you don't really want to be trading during that time. Chat, should we go double glasses as well? There you go, ultimate douchebag mode now. My metabolism is on powdered Red Bull. Fair. Bro, I wish. I kind of want to, bro, I have a crazy appetite, right? Like, I can literally eat for days. But recently, my girl's been making these homemade burgers pretty much every night, bro. And it's just been like a feeding session every evening. It's crazy. Like 2 double homemade fucking cheeseburgers with like, bro. Wait, I have to find a photo of these. Chat, these are cracked. Like the ultimate bulking cheat code. I'm pretty sure I took a photo. Oh wait, no, I took a... Let me send this in the Discord. What's good, Malinka? How's it going, brother? Oh, fuck, wrong video. That was nearly catastrophic. Where is this one? Ah, here. Chat, look at this shit. Bro, my girl made this yesterday. It's like a bacon and egg double cheeseburger. Bro. Homemade. Tell me that doesn't look good. That shit looks insane, no? I was smacking these down last night after the gym. Top tier. Honestly, bro, you don't have enough glasses. You need another pair? Yeah, I do. I don't have any in here, though, unfortunately. Actually, I do. Wait. Oh. I have 2 extra pairs, chat. A burger with an egg is a wild concept, but I gotta try it. Bro, eggs and bacon on a burger is next level. I took sales at that 11:30 candle after the weak bullish candle. Wait. Hang on. I need more glasses to figure this one out. Right. I took sales at that 11:30 candle, 30-minute time frame after that weak bullish candle break of low, expecting 4 hour to make a bottom wick. Got stopped out by the liquidity. Which one? Here? And you got stopped out above here? Was it this? Like that, basically. Stops are a little tight, bro, to be honest. I'd be looking at stops above here for that trade. TP down here. Chat. It's not really working out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was it a good trade? Yeah, valid trade, I think. I think very valid trade. I would like, take the break of this low. Did it make the top wick first or not? Because if it made that top wick first, then you can take the stops above here. What there? What's good, Eugene? Cosplaying as an insect? Yeah, it must be. Top wick first, then surely your stops are above here, no? And then you wouldn't have got stopped. That's what I would have seen. No top wick on this one as well. So you took it on this candle, right? That makes sense. That many eyes can't possibly miss a trade opportunity? Yeah, it should be impossible, right? See, look, chat. Now we're rejecting back up here on the hourly time frame. So anything could happen right now. As long as it's a good trade, I'm happy, bro. Bro, I think it was a really good trade. It's a very good understanding of price, very good understanding of momentum, understanding of the direction we're in. I think it was a very decent trade. It's just unfortunate it came out and grabbed liquidity. But yeah, bigger stops is probably what you need on that. Even above these highs, I mean, you would have got taken anyway. It's tough, man. It's tough. Especially when you close above here, like. What you could have done is like look in the past and see where we needed liquidity from this area. And you can see like to push down in the past, you needed to come to like this area every time. So that's what I would have done. Look at like price action mirrors. Sometimes you even needed to come all the way up here, right? So then what I would do is figure out where you needed to grab liquidity from in the past. And then you can place your stops above there, right? So you had these areas. So realistically, valid stops could have been, let's say you took the trade here. They could have been above these highs. Could have probably been here. Or it could have been like one of these areas. Lacking volume. Yeah, well, you got comics open here in about 8 minutes, which should bring some volume into the market. This is getting difficult to see now. I'm going to take these off. Let's be sensible, chat. Not that I want to be, but... What's good, Noodle Holtz? Is that vegan bacon? Fuck off, is that vegan bacon? Vegan bacon on a double cheeseburger with an egg. Why would I have that? It's just Cypriot bacon. I don't know. It's a bit different out here, but it's still banging. That's an insult, Mr. Noodle Holtz. Vegan bacon. Chat, we're filling the range. This is exactly what we expected to happen, right? Unfortunately, no top wick on this candle. If we had a top wick, we probably would have been in these cells here, but alas, it did not happen. Wait, chat, give me one sec. I'll be back in a sec. Right. Lime drink acquired. I can't even. There you go. We're in business, chat. We're in business. So, Blow's flipping out over vegan bacon allegations. Yeah, I think that's a pretty fair crash out. Guess what? Me and my family are planning on going to Cyprus for the summer next week. W, bro. I'd taken the 4-hour flip, was down 100 pips, was still in, closed at 89 pips profit just now. Mr. Rentero. You hid that from us. 89 pips profit. Double use. Soon use code TRLS20 for 20% off Maison Perrier. Maison Perrier. I wish, bro. If they sponsored me, I would save a lot of money first of all. Chat, if this hourly closes below here, you know what we're going to do though. 4-hour no wonder looks so different. Yeah, it does. It's the same vibe though. Gonna be ashamed if it didn't play out my way, but the charts were speaking to me. W, bro. What even is vegan bacon? I don't even know. I don't even know if it was a thing, but it obviously is. Fun fact, my sister's vegan. Oh, yeah. vegan vegetarian thing. Not happy about it, to be honest. Chat, 15 minutes just closed here below the level. Problem now is, or the problem is now, to use proper English, that we have essentially no top wick on this hourly candle. So this could be a liquidity grab at any point. I'm not saying it definitely is because we are obviously bearish, but this could be a liquidity grab at any point. Kind of wanted to zoom this in a little bit. Maybe I can do this, wait. No. All right, that's better. Fun fact is, funny how we say W, but a W actually forms a, yeah. Your camera quality is good. What camera do you use? Sony A6 500 or A6 400, I can't remember. Does it say? It will say somewhere. Vegetarian comes from the Dark Ages, translates as the worst hunter in the tribe. Is that actually true? The etymology of vegetarian. I love a bit of etymology, to be honest, chat. I think I have that camera at home. It's a good camera. You only took that yesterday, and after that, nothing? Yeah, after that, nothing, bro. I didn't catch another trade. Don't get me wrong, I wanted to, right? I really wanted to take another position to make back my losses, but obviously there was no setup, right? I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. Market's been so weird. Yeah, like spikes in volume, to be honest. Had big faith in that 4-hour flip. Had put it at 0.4 lots, big risk. On a funded or what? Better to have Biden? Bro, give me Biden markets back and I'll make a mil this year. If you gave me a Joe Biden market this year, I would be up a mil right now. Not right now, but by the end of the year, maybe. I really think we didn't appreciate the Joe Biden markets enough, man. It was so predictable. They were doing so much insider trading, but it was all predictable, right? Now with Trump, it's all, are they going to do it? Are they not? If you don't mind me asking, what's your biggest payout? My biggest payout is technically not a payout. It's like a withdrawal from my broker, if that counts. Well, actually, no, of course it counts. But I think my biggest withdrawal I've ever taken is like $12,000 in one go. But normally I just take like slow, consistent ones, like a couple of thousand here, a couple of thousand there, 5K. On a prop, it's probably like 2K, roughly. Had one on ACG, but again, on ACG, again, I'm just stacking slow payouts. That's why like, I don't really ever post them because like most of the time I'll take 700, I'll take 1,000, I'll take 600, whatever it is, I'll take it. I don't really care. Still on the challenge, have my 10K up by 2% now. W, bro, congrats. Slow and steady wins the race. Like, wait. See, look, like it just stacks up on ACG. So we have like 7K payouts. By the way, I only started actually trading props. Not even seriously, I still don't trade seriously, but started trading props like 3-4 months ago. So we've done like 7K in payouts since then. Do you know how relevant Powell's speech will be for volatility? I think it'll be very. Would you rather have 1 mil prop or 500K live? 500K live by a long way. If you ask me whether I wanted a 500K live or a 10 mil prop, I'd still say 500K live. 500K live is goated. 100K live is like game changing. You saw yesterday I lost like 4K on my live account. But that shows you like what I'm willing to risk on a live. So once you figure that out, you can see what the profits are going to be, and then you can see how insane it is, because I don't have to wait for a withdrawal cycle. I don't have to wait for a payout date or anything like that. If I made 10K today, guess what? I'll withdraw it a second later. No questions asked. No consistency scores. No, did you manage risk appropriately? No, show me your strategy. None of that shit. Five-minute pushing back up here though, chat. See what I said? What did I say earlier? The 15-minute close below, right? But guess what? The 1 hour, no top wick, so it could just flip at any point. 1 mil funded is just 100K with extra rules. It depends on what prop, bro. Because like some props you only get 5-6% drawdown. If you're talking futures, 1 million funded on futures is actually only probably like a 60K live account, which is not as impressive, is it? But people like to say 1 mil on futures. The ceasefire getting broken and showing more uncertainty wouldn't... Wait, since when did the ceasefire get broken? Is that a thing, chat? If the ceasefire gets broken, gold's going to skyrocket. Israel violated the ceasefire. As soon as I made the deal, they grabbed the biggest load of bombs you've ever seen. Oh. Oh. Did he actually say, I don't know what the fuck they're doing? Wait.
They came out and they dropped a load of bombs, the likes of which I've never seen before. The biggest load that we've seen. I'm not happy with Israel. You know, when I say, okay, now you have 12 hours, you don't go out in the first hour and just drop everything you have on them. So I'm not happy with them. I'm not happy with Iran either. But I'm really unhappy if Israel's going out this morning because the one rocket that didn't land, that was shot, perhaps by mistake, that didn't land. I'm not happy about that. You know what? We basically have two countries that have been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the fuck they're doing.
He actually said that shit, bro. That's actually insane.
So long and so hard that they don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
Yeah, that's crazy. You have to rate that, I think, at some point. Yeah, that's based. That actually is based. Since when have you ever seen a president use a swear word in an interview like that, bro? That's cold. I actually... Oh, music's way too loud. Wait, my bad. Bro, I swear down that would be me if I got into a position of power. What the fuck are they doing, bro? What's good, Faza? How are we doing, brother? As long as both teams have fun, what's good, Jake? Chat, 30-minute close here in 5-6 minutes. If the 30-minute close is below, chat, it might be a different story. We might be in for some good sales. Chilling, Kate, drop a like. Appreciate it, brother. Chat, 6 minutes here. Lock it in. We might have some potential right now. Holy. Surely you would see with the ceasefire being broken. I mean, is there still going to be a full ceasefire in the 12 hours or whatever? I don't even know. That's funny though, I can't lie. Damn, SG's built? Whoa. Not me, bro. That's you, Green. Just trying to be like you, brother. This lighting's not the best as well. Green looks like, whoa. That's fighting words right there, Faza. Put a shot on, man, I wish. Bro. Just hit me one. I'm joking. You're going to take a sell even though the 1 hour and 30 minute has no top wick? No, I'm not. If the 30 minute closes, it's a different story, right? But like... Yeah, the 1 hour still got no top wick, so it's a bit difficult, I can't lie. But yeah, that 1 hour is making it very difficult right now. I can't believe Trump said they don't know what the fuck they're doing in a press conference. That's actually based. 5-minute close. Oh, chat, this could be interesting here. I honestly think if the 30 closes below like this, you've got a lot of room to the downside. I'd want to see like, where did that 15 retest? Oh, chat, it did break and retest though, I can't lie. You've got room down now as well. You should tap into like 3309, 3310. What a stop's gonna be? I think stops on the hourly flip might be valid above these highs here. This 5-minute structure looks great, to be honest. 15 flipped right now. Oh, chat, it's gone. We might be out of here. Chat, if this 5-minute can close below the most recent and leave a bottom wick as well, I think sales look valid here. But you're re-breaking the low right now. So if this 30-minute closes no bottom wick, obviously that's pretty cooked. But you have room down now. You have like at least till 09, which is going to give you like 30 pips of room, 25, unless you just fill it right now, chat. It's a pretty strong reaction. Let's see here, 2 minutes, chat. Focus up. Can it wait 2 minutes for us? It's good, Quell. That is a big rejection, chat. That looks like a liquidity grab to me. Why does it keep doing this, man? Why does it keep making the push and then rejecting? That's so interesting to me. I think you should fill this range though now. What if you get like... I think my EU short is going to hit TP. I was about to make bans. Do you take it on the live as well or no? I want to see this 5-minute close below here. If it hits all of them, I'm halfway through the evaluation. Is there consistency on the evaluation on Top Step? I thought there is. I swear there's consistency on the evaluations. Anyway, chat, 30 seconds here. Lock it in. I want to see a closure below these lows. Either way, the 15 looks decent here, though. 30 looks good as well. Oh, my days, chat. We're not even going to close below. Chat, we're not even going to close below. 10 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck? Yeah, nice one, Gold. Yeah. Thank you. Fuck it. Start breaking shit over here. Nah, no setup. It's gonna fill the range. It's gonna fill the range. Right, we should tap into at least 08, 09. And then if not, you're gonna see 03 get tapped. But yeah, man, no top wick. I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. No setup, no Rari. This is true. I almost made my TP hit. You don't need to hit full TP, bro. Just take, like, if you're a couple of pips away, just close that shit. Bro. Where was your TP? Like here? It was way too fast? Okay, okay. That is tough. That's a fat rejection as well. Hopefully it plays out, bro. I really do hope it does. See, chat, what the fuck did I tell you, man? Gold's going sicko mode right now, chat. No top wick, no top wick, no top wick. Told you we fill the range as well. But chat, what can we do when we've got no setup, right? What can you do? I'm gonna give you the answer real quick. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. We just have to sit and wait, unfortunately. You FOMO in? No, 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 no. Don't FOMO in. Chat, I've got a new video coming out today as well. Little trade breakdown of the trade I took on FOMC. I know it's a little bit late, but it was a good trade breakdown. It tells you my news. It's like basically teaching you my news trading strategy as well. Chat, at least our analysis was right. That's all that really matters. You could say as well that because we grabbed so much liquidity, you didn't need a top wick, right? Which is true. But I wanted a A+ setup. I didn't want to take anything below an A+ setup here. You could have taken an off the rip, potentially, but again, it's a bit aggressive. And also stops would have been a little bit worse. Meh. And also, to be fair, actually thinking about it now, you couldn't, right? Because gold was like up here until the very last second of the closure. It's a bit weird though, because even though there are no top wicks, there is still a lovely structure coming down on the 1 minute. It happens, man. It just depends when it wants to grab liquidity and not, right? Okay, cool. Cool, chat. All right, nice. Bro, yeah, this video coming out later is going to be sick. Make sure you don't miss it. Then I got a few vlogs coming out as well. Chat, I'm spoiling you guys with content at the minute. Yo, you know what as well? We're actually going to have, soon, we're going to have enough profitable TRLS traders to make a hedge fund. Imagine, right? Can you imagine in like, I don't know, a year's time, TRLS hedge fund comes out with all members of chat that are profitable? We can make $1 million a day. Actually, I don't want to say that, chat. No financial advice. That was not a promise of monetary gain to my audience, YouTube. Do not Give me a strike for that. But the point is, yo, I guess there's no point, chat. We filled the range. So our analysis played out absolutely perfectly, right? Absolutely perfectly to the T. Do you still journal trades? No, I don't. I should probably, but I don't. Did that push on Euro USD as well? Oh no, it didn't. That's tough. I'm just rocking for D on his trade, man. That's what I'm trying to do. Churning is really good in your first 2 to 3 years, not gonna lie. Yeah, it is. I feel like you get to a point where you don't really need to do it as much. But it's probably also still good as a habit. Looking for swing buy position soon. Down for like 28 maybe. But gold probably needs a correction at some point. Monthly's about to flip, chat. Monthly's about to flip. Chat, we just filled the range. Which is rather unfortunate, chat, to be honest. Because that was our advantage point. Let's check the 1 hour though. So if you close below 03 now, you have room down towards like 96. Yeah, 96. Problem is, where was our level here? Was it the 4 hour level? We had a rejection at 08. No, was it the daily? Daily has some areas here, like, yeah, 08 is one of them. So, like, anything could happen here. This is quite a strong rejection area we're tapping into right now. Chat, let's get some likes on the stream, man. Let's get to 50 likes if we can. Much appreciated. Late to the stream, how we all doing? Any trades? Yeah, Gareth, we caught, nothing. Yeah, nothing yet, man. Israel Prime Minister, Israel to abstain from further strikes. Bro, oh, fuck. I really wanted to say something then, but I don't want to talk on the YouTube. 26 likes, chat. Yeah, we can do way better than that. Let's get to 50 likes on the stream, man. Much appreciated. But what? I don't want to get banned off the face of the earth if I mention a certain name or nation. Suddenly there just would have never been an SG. It'll be like I never existed. Yeah, exactly. What's good, Mog Trades? How you doing, man? That's why I didn't say anything. By them boys, he means Americans, right? No one else. Silicon Valley and that. Chat. 15 minutes candle is closing here in 5 minutes, closing below the level. You tapped into the area and started to reject here. So, are we going to see a rejection from here? You did have a strong push back up here in the past. When you've come down to this area in the past, you have made a push back up. So, yeah, maybe we start to see a similar thing again. Unfortunately, chat, hopefully you are familiar with the term advantage points, right? If you're not, an advantage point is basically just an area where price should logically tap before rejecting or doing anything else. It's also called a decision area, whatever. But this was my decision area right here. So basically, I knew once we close below here, gold should tap into 3303, right? It's done that now. So now it could do anything. It could push up, it could push down, but we are very much less certain of the direction of which it wants to go. So now we have to wait for it to make that decision in order to take a trade, right? Once you have it here, it's very clear where you're going to move. But once now you've tapped into that area, yeah, it's a lot less high probability. So we need to be waiting here. 5 minute rejected very, very strongly here, but closed no top wick. Obviously the structure is still bearish on every other time frame. So for me, have to wait right now. 1 hour still got no top wick as well with 19 minutes left. It's not impossible this 1 hour flips, bro. It's very possible. Chat, I need a haircut so bad, man. My barber's booked out. I might have to wait till I get back to the UK, maybe. Or I'm just going to turn up and be like, give me a trim. Now. I'm in the UK from Friday. From Friday. Bet, booked a ticket, see you there. Pull up, bro. We'll get a gym session in. We can trade. Easy dubs. UK meetup, chat. What do we think? Where USG? I'm everywhere, all at once, bro. I'm everywhere, all at once. XG. I've never met Eugene in real life. He keeps saying I have, bro. I've never met the guy. All I do know is that I did see some really short guy waiting for the bus in Islington. That's all I know. And he was talking about OTEs to the guy next to him. That's all I'm saying. But he was like 5'6". Oh my days. 15-minute closing soon, chat. Start to re-reject now. No top wick on this 5 minute as well. This price action is crazy. He says no to onions on a burger. Cap, I love an onion on a burger. I don't think gold all-time high. This shit been dumping. From what I've read, Calm, on the fundamentals, it's because of oil and some other shit like that as well. I don't know. I'm not Mr. Fundamental. Something to do with everyone expecting gold. Also, when everyone expects gold to push up, it would never do it, right? Bro, got the onion breath. I haven't eaten onions. Gold. Gold bullish momentum likely to persist? Yeah, well, it's fucking not, is it? Gold futures drop on Israel around ceasefire. Yeah, also on the ceasefire, obviously it's going to push down, right? Because that's like strength for the dollar, essentially. What's good though, Calm? How you doing, man? Chat. When does my new video come out, actually? I need to check. I think it's at 5 p.m. Cyprus time, 3 p.m. UK time. Chat, I can't lie. I'm liking the little pink backlight. I'm not going to lie. It gives me a bit of a princess vibe. Pause. Do you see a drop like in silver? What's happening with silver? Chat, look at this push up. No way, another 5 minute no top wick. Holy shit. Silver's just taken an absolute I don't know why that is. Maybe. I mean, gold's been pretty much doing a similar thing, right? Just a little bit slower. Pink background makes it look like my girl's room. Maybe it is your girl's room, bro. Ooh. I didn't say anything. Hey, I'm telling your girl? No, please, I'll be in big trouble. I've already clipped it. No. Bro, my girl's Russian. You have to have some mercy, my friend. I'm going to be in... She's going to get the flicky out. That's going to be it. I'll be chopped up and in a fucking barrel on the way to Moscow within the morning. They don't play. There goes my signal provider. Yeah, my bad, Calm. Although, yeah. I'll allow you to survive now since I still need you to become profitable. W. Mention another girl's name and fuck. And you're almost dead. Bro. Legitimately, I let a girl cross the road earlier when I was driving. She was trying to cross the road for ages. So I let her cross and my girl literally looked at me and went, why the fuck did you let her cross the road? Bro, like it was game over. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't see gender. Hey, what's good, Jar? How's it going, brother? What's good, Cryptomaniac as well? Whole gang's here. That is real, though. My fiance's Russian too. Blizzy, you know then. Yeah, you know. You know how it works, unfortunately. Bro, they're like different level. A Birkin and she'll be good again? Yeah, trust me. Tourists here are so bad. They struggle to drive in these narrow roads and down the streets. Bro, yeah. Although today, I can't lie, I drove down a one-way road the wrong way. Some locals like, hey. That's kind of Italian, but... Chat, 15 flipped here. See, look, we're starting to push back up. Look at these wicks, man. That's crazy. You should see a push up here now. Strong ass wicks. And they always look the best, even when going to the supermarket. Bro. Blizzy, you actually relate. You're actually telling me, like, you're basically reading my own life to me. Legitimately. Oh, chat, new 15-minute, by the way. Bro, we'll be like, all right, I need to go to the shop real quick to get whatever, a drink or some bullshit. She's like, yeah, let me go get ready. And she's like, putting some crazy outfit on. I'm like, bro, I'm in slides and like a tank top. It's like the Russian way of doing it though. I don't know. In the early days of my relationship, my girl caught me accidentally looking at other girls in the gym. Don't know how I'm alive, but in my defense, I admire both female. I like it. No, it's good. It's definitely good, bro. Like, it's a good thing, not a bad thing. It's just like funny how that's their thing. It's like, yeah, I could have been at the shop and back by now though. You know what I mean? Like, I could have got everything already and been back. I gotta put on a sundress to go pick up Shakey's Pizza. What's Shakey's Pizza? Sounds good though. Eastern Europe providing the baddies for us. But I'm telling you. Shakey's Pizza. Ah, bro, that looks mid. That looks mid, I can't lie. They're the only real Western women? Yeah. What? Chat, another 5 no top wick. What is going on with this price action? I've never seen anything like this. 5 no top wick, no top wick, no top wick. But look at this rejection, chat. See what I mean? The 30-minute just flipped here. What did I tell you about the advantage point? What do you think about JPY basket going higher? I don't trade JPY pairs, brother. So I've got, unfortunately, no idea. I would love to sort of guess, but I don't want to give analysis on something I'm not an expert in, right? Realistically, it needs to make a top wick. Yeah, but bro, realistically, like, realistically, I agree with you, right? But then realistically, at the same point, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will leave them 6, 7 candles needed it, right? Thanks anyway. Anytime, brother. Look, if you need anything to do with gold or anything else, I'm your guy. But yeah, JPY is not my strong suit. 30 flip. 30 has flipped here, chat. Yeah. Thing is, right, we're still not bullish. Like, we still just can't, you can't just FOMO into buys right now. Because structure's still bearish on every time frame, apart from the 5. But I'm not going to take something just based off the 5 when everything else is bearish, right? 8 minutes here, chat. I'll stay on today till NYSD, right? I say this literally every day and then don't, but I will do today. I'm hungry as fuck, though. I might have to get a snack. Yeah. Shut up. Chat, I'll be back in 2 secs. Right. Shit, we're ripping up here, chat. Structure still bearish. We're tapping into that daily support. May switch that? Yeah, it might do, bro. It might do. We can take a look here. Of course, we'll have a look. So much potential here, chat. Is that hourly going to flip? Holy. How far are we? We're 20 pips away from the hourly flip right now. No, a little bit further. 40 pips away, my bad. Chat, a lot of potential here, especially on NYSE Open here. In like 30 minutes, or the hourly open in 6 minutes, right? Could both give you a decent entry right now. Watch this 1 hour close respecting that same 1 hour level. It possibly could do, to be fair. Chat, if we want buys though, for me right now, I think buys are going to have to be somewhere like above 29. I think if you... It's difficult, man. Above 29. Okay, 30. 31. Choppiness. Chat, it's really choppy when you come up here though. Otherwise, chat, if you want sells, you're gonna need to come up now, grab liquidity, and then still close bearish. Otherwise, look at the liquidity. What's it telling us? Easy way to sort of tell direction is to look at where the wicks are, chat. The wicks are below right now. You have no wick up here, no wick up here. You have a small wick here, but you have a ginormous wick just here. So what's that telling me? Well, most likely that's telling me that we've grabbed liquidity from below in order to continue back up. Daily has no top wick. Monthly came close to a flip, but didn't. 4 hour, 2 hour no top wick, 4 hour does. I just don't want to aggressively fucking enter here when structure's still bearish, right? I'm not going to be able to do that. Because look, what could happen right now? You make an equal high here, just continue down. We all just love Latinas. Just sound like white Latinas. Nah, I mean, yeah, similar. Ollie, some concepts, yeah, but most of it's adapted now. Like, I trade my own strategy pretty much. Strategy is called TRLS. Go and look at, oh, I have a hella? I never use that word. I have lots of YouTube videos on my strategy, on my channel. If the daily flip somehow would be one of the most insane things, it's not impossible. Probably quite unlikely, but you've still not even had NYSE open yet. You've got news late. Oh no, you haven't got news. You got Powell speaking, bro. Imagine Powell comes out and just says some madness. Just says like, yo, we're gonna print 10 trillion more dollars. Then gold will go up. Bro's using my words now? Nah. Are you interested in opening a trade on gold right now? No, I need to wait. You got 2 minutes till the hourly close here. I want to see how the hourly closes. To be honest. News in 1 hour? I mean, it's not really news, it's a speech, right? So it's a little bit different. You have some orange folders too, but you actually have Powell making a little speech. So normally when it's a speech compared to a news, right? Like, oh wait, source release testimony next text 90 minutes earlier than scheduled. Oh, so maybe they already released it. Maybe that's why, so it's probably already priced in then. Source release testimony text 90 minutes earlier than scheduled. That seems sketchy. Some insider trading shit there. But, yeah, it's probably already priced in that case. So it's probably not going to do much. Good. This economy is solid despite. I don't chat about other people, to be honest. We're focused on ourselves here, man. Makes sense looking at the PA? Yeah, that probably does make sense, right? Probably does make sense. That would have been bullish for the dollar, right? Everything that the Powell just said was bullish for the dollar, so you can probably see why gold pushed down, to be honest. This 15 minutes going to be engulfing like 2 previous candles as well. Just don't like the 5 structure here, because the 5's respecting, right? Oh, this could be interesting, man. $30 till the hourly close. Let's make $1 million. How does this sound? I forgot I can do this. I can fucking hear myself speak. Crazy. Does that sound good? What if I'm back here? Wait, what? This is trippy. Chat, should I start mixing? Lighten the mood a little bit. Right, hourly closed. Respecting. 30-minute closed bullish. Top wick first. 15-minute bullish engulfing. 5-minute bearish respecting as well. So choppy right now. That makes it quite tough, to be honest. But it is what it is, right? I was going to try and find another position, but I'm up 115 pips for the day. So I think I'll call it a day at 6 a.m. Still here for the company. Yeah, W, bro. Call it a day at 100%. It's not worth taking anything else right now. All right, cool. I've not been trading NY the last few weeks. Got my small wins in London and called it. W, bro. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I haven't been trading London the past week or so. I think London's been a bit shit, to be honest. Also tapped the previous 15 order block, which initiated this high time frame push. I don't use them, but yeah, I mean, look, it's the same confluence for me, right? We tapped into a level, order block, similar sort of thing, right? It reacts the exact same way. But yeah, I think this is a very strong liquidity area for us to tap into. And look, like the daily does have no top wick. So but the theory behind buys is interesting. You staying on? Yeah. I'll stay on for at least another half an hour, probably. 1 hour flipped. See, look, now you can feel the wick. Like, it's very, very... I think what happened is this 5-minute close. Yeah, chat, this is going to push down. 5-minute closed respecting this high here. So you actually didn't break structure. You haven't made a higher high yet at all. You've technically made an equal high. And on the 1 minute, obviously you did make higher highs, but the 5-minute never did. So this could have just been a pullback for all we know, right? It could still continue down. So chat, remember my main thing that I always talk about is if you can see both results playing out, right? If you can see a push up and a push down, that means there's uncertainty and you can't be taking a position if you think both could happen. It doesn't make any sense. You know, when you get into a trade, let's say you get into buys, you should only be thinking buys are going to play out right now. You know, you shouldn't even think sells are possible because then you have certainty, you know. That's my criteria for taking a trade. Certainty. Like realistically, if you're wrong, it should be like, how the fuck am I wrong on that? Like, how has the market done that? And that way, like, first of all, you don't... I would beat myself up if I fucking was like, oh, I can see sells and buys, but let me just take a buy and then the sells play out. I'd be like, fuck. You know, because that's your fault at that point. But if you get to the point where now, like, you know, all your confluences line up, you can see liquidity from below, you see a breakout above, bullish market structure, price action mirrors, all of this, you can be like, okay, cool. The buys are extremely valid. I'm taking buys. The only logical explanation is price pushes up here. And then if you're wrong, like maybe you missed something, but you're not gonna beat yourself up about it, right? Holy shit, chat! I wanted to get a pair of those Rude shorts, right? How are you telling me these are €1,000? Like, that's what, bro, these are €400. You can get them from fucking Zara for like 10. You're telling me €1,000 for these shorts? Yeah, safe. They're nice, but like, these are hard. Chat, at that point, just buy reps, bro. Fuck paying €1,000. Oh, this one's 750, but Some of them are €1,000 for a pair of shorts, bro. Bro, even if I had £1 billion, I would not be paying €1,000 for shorts. Are you stupid? I know Hugh has a pair of these as well. I'm gonna have to go beat him up about that because that's ridiculous. Do you stream every day on YouTube? Yes, every single day, New York session, 2 p.m. UK time. Or no, 12 p.m. UK time. Mr. Do Busy. Cost 10 to make? Yeah, in a sweatshop in fucking Singapore. 1000x profit on these or whatever. Singapore is rich. They definitely have factories there, no? I've seen loads of shit saying made in Singapore. They definitely have clothes factories in Singapore. Okay, well, I just named an Asian country, but it's going to be named in it's made in a sweatshop somewhere. Cost 10 cents? Yeah, probably, bro. Anyway, the point is, don't buy that shit. Like, there's some things that are worth money. Like, for example, I think stuff like Loro Piana, for the quality, is probably worth it, right? If you're buying like cashmere and shit, but it won't be Singaporeans that work there. Fair. What kind of strategy do you use? TRLS strategy is what I use. There's a in-depth free course breakdown on my YouTube channel if you want to know how to trade it. Or just turn up to the streams every day and you'll pick it up very quickly. It's quite a simple strategy, but very effective. Chat, I don't know how we don't have 10K viewers every day. Like, I literally teach you a strategy for free. Most of the big streamers that trade don't even they don't even teach strategy. Like Patrick Whelan doesn't teach a strategy on the stream. You have to pay for that shit. Most big streamers are just like entertainers that then they funnel you into a course. But I actually teach this shit here. Tank pull on the numbers. Can't be. It's 1 hour's flipping here, chat. Sort of just sat in the middle right now, though. 5-minute close bearish previously. Are we going to make a high here? If you close back above here, you could potentially look at buys to continue back up there after you make some bullish structure. Ten secret push-ups before stream. I actually didn't, and it's cold in here, man. I've got no pump. Nice, bro. Pleased to meet you. I'm Giovanni from Italy. Nice, brother. Pleased to meet you too. Whereabouts in Italy are you from? I lived in Florence for a decent amount of time. You are surely shadow banned because of what you might have said. I'm definitely shadow banned, 100%. $100 million billion %. I mean, no, I have strikes on my channel, like here. I don't know why. Ancona? Oh, nice. I'm from the UK, but I live in Cyprus. What'd you say? Nothing really. Tell me how. Harmful or dangerous content? Futures trading. Sure. Do you trade NQ? I have done in the past. At the minute, I purely just trade gold. I can tell you now that you live in Cyprus from your t-shirt, whatever it's called in English. It's too hot to be wearing shit out here, man. Like, yeah. What'd you get in your GCSE? Oh, what a question. How long ago? Bro, my GCSEs were nearly 10 years ago now. Holy shit. Nah, like 8 years ago. I got, in my GCSEs, I got 7 A's, 3 B's. I fucking smashed my GCSEs. That was before they brought out number grades though. So I got 7 A's, 3 B's. I did biology, chemistry, physics, maths, German, history, English lit, English language, obviously maths. What else? Geography and PE. No, so I got 7 A's, 4 B's. I did 11 GCSEs. I did 11 GCSEs. Can you say how much mentorship is? No, but if you DM me, we can talk about it on DMs. If you're interested. Can you share the link to learn on your strategy on YouTube? Yeah, just go to my channel. I have a new video coming out later as well that's going to be a strategy video too. But if you go to my channel, look, chat, this one here, make sure you don't miss this shit, by the way. This is a really, really valuable video. But like, for example, this video, chat, if you want to know the strategy, this is the video to watch. Do people from your high school like recognize you online? Yeah, a couple have. What assets do you work with? Well, you can trade my strategy with anything, right? I have students that trade gold, NQ, euro, whatever. I just got you 500 million views on clips. When do I get paid for it? And I want it in pineapples. But if you got 500 million views in clips, you get paid a fortune, bro. History's the only decent grade I got. B? Yeah, decent. History was fun. I loved history. I'm now realizing we got taught the complete wrong version of it, but I loved it at the time. 15-minute closing bullish here, chat. Is this 5-minute gonna close above these highs? Let's say the 2-hour closes like it is now. Would you consider a buy since it has grabbed so much bottom liquidity? 2-hour. No, probably not. Not just based off of that. I'm seeing this 5-minute look like it wants to close above here though. Yeah, now I believe 90% of it was lies. Ja, you're 100% right on that one. In fact, I would say 100% of it is probably lies. Chat, I read a really interesting clip the other. I read an interesting clip. I read an interesting thing yesterday, right? Which said, if you know now that they lie on the news, imagine how much of history is a lie. Like, that's a fucking, that made me think like for a good 30 minutes about a whole shit. You know that they lie about current events that are in front of your eyes. So stuff that you can't possibly go and see that's 100, 200 years in the future. You think they're not gonna just make that shit up? Of course they are, right? Chat, 15-minute closing here in about 15 seconds anyway. I forgot this is a trading stream. That was good, DK. How's it going, brother? Can't delete that. GG's. I don't know if that's going to get me Whoa, that will though. That will. Oh. 5 closed above, bottom wick. I don't like the 5 no top wick. I was choosing my words extremely. Chat, if this flips, it's gonna run. Holy shit. I couldn't take it though. 2 reasons. You close respecting this level, right? You close below it. Secondly, there's like no real top wick on that candle. I don't like that. I don't want to take a trade off the 15-minute right now, at least. TP hit halfway through with the 150Ks. D, good shit, man. Must get over the ice wall. Bro. Chat, we might have to open a conspiracy section on the Discord. Discord? Oh, fuck. Alright, well... Nah, did they actually do that? Sponsored by Columbia Marching Powder. I don't know what that is. But... I don't know. Anyway. Chat, we're pushing up here. So you got a 30-minute closure now in about 12 minutes. That's also going to be NYSE Open. So that's where I'm going to be looking for the volume to come into the charts from. The question is... where is that volume going to take us? If we have a setup like forming during NYSE Open or around that time, we'll obviously look for some positions, right? I don't think it makes any sense to be taking a position now. Better to wait. If you're planning to go long on gold right now, what would make your mind up? I would want to see, like, to be honest, I'd want to see some closures up here. Like, I need to see some structure shifts because we're so bearish right now. I don't want to try and predict the bottom of the market, right? Because that's not your goal as a trader. Your goal is not to try and like call the bottom. Your goal is just to make money, right? And for me, the best way to make money is to wait for a strong confirmation, closure above, and just take the buys somewhere like that, right? I think that would be extremely valid. Just the problem is, like, by the time you've done that, right, you're gonna have already moved so far that you're gonna be overextended, and then you're gonna need liquidity. So it gets difficult, right? But it's not impossible. So I want to see something like that form. Eugene, what did you send me on Instagram? Look at the state of this, bro. Oh, wait, I want to try and... How do I hide that? Alright, fuck it. Look at the state of the stuff Eugene's been sending me. That is crazy. And then just cat stuff. That's a meme coin as well. premium. Fucking ridiculous. What's gonna happen in 15 minutes? New York Stock Exchange opens in like 10 minutes. So like that brings a lot of volume in, right? Essentially market open. Should bring you a lot of volume, to be honest. Chat, what are you guys training today, by the way? If you haven't already been to the gym, I know it's New York session, so actually most of you guys have probably already hit the gym, but if you haven't, or if you did, what did you train? I think I'm gonna go hit a lovely little back day. To be honest. Thrusts? Just thrust is crazy for a workout. Chest? Nice. I had chest yesterday. My right arm's pumped. Bicep workout earlier. Back and biceps. Good shit, Jimbo. Yeah, I think I'm going to do back and biceps today as well. I did chest yesterday. Whoa. Bro, I'm getting weaker though. I'm getting weaker. My bench got weaker since I started the cut. I think it's mostly psychological, right? $10K on the beach. Steps, nice. I did that yesterday as well. That was super fun. I went for a huge walk. I've been getting 10K steps recently as well, which is something that's like part of my cut, I guess. Trained legs last night, getting back to strength, not training legs for time. Yeah, I love training legs recently. Especially since I moved to a hot country, right? You can't just do the UK tactic of just wearing like jogging bottoms or trousers all the time. Have to wear shorts, so I can't not have legs here. It's unfortunate. But yeah, like my bench strength is definitely going down from what it used to be. I'm also getting leaner quite quickly, I think, which is going to be good. Start to see the abs pop out and everything. Hopefully. Doesn't look like much is happening. No, bro, because we're waiting for the open, right? Normally it calms down a little bit just before the open, but it does look like it wants to pick a direction here. But yeah, there's no volume right now, so I want to see what happens on the open, and then we can go from there. Chat, by the way, I've discovered the most OP thing in the world in Cyprus. The most OP thing I've ever seen. Chat, they have 24-hour bakeries here in Cyprus. So this is these like chain of bakeries. They have like, basically inside they have what is essentially like a Subway, but way better. Like a Starbucks, like not an actual Starbucks, like a coffee shop. And then like the craziest fucking bakery wrap section in the world, right? 24 hours. So you can just go at like 3 a.m., right? But they do the best coffees. Bro, the other day I went and got like 5 pastries, 2 wraps, and 2 coffees, and it was €8. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna live out there, like, because it's super high protein as well, all of it. Like this wrap I got was like 60 grams of protein. So elite, and it's the cheapest thing ever, man. Like I got a coffee today, like a, I don't know, I don't even know what it was. It was banging though. It was like €1.50 or something. If you look at Euro JPY, I know you don't trade it. See, chat, look what I mean, by the way. We're pushing back down now. Bearish. Definitely. I think if you close like below there. Weight loss jabs available in the NHS? Fuck me. That's poor. Yeah, if you close below here, you got clean traffic like all the way down to like this area. Sales actually look decent on that. Yeah, why is every other pair setting up nicer than gold? I'm not saying take that position, by the way. I don't trade that pair, so don't take my word as gospel on it. Manjaro. Bro, apparently Reta 2 trade is like the best one now. Chat, if this 30-minute closes like this, though, sells might be valid here. You got a breaking structure against the 5-minute. I just have a burger to go, thanks. From the NHS. You don't want an NHS burger to go, bro. Should fill the range back down now, chat. You got a wick fill here. On the 1 hour. The 1 hour did close bearish as well. You basically retested these highs. Problem is, chat, you're fucking flying again just before the closure. Like, what do you want me to do about this? Oh. Chat, actually, Big Will cooked on the beats here, I can't lie. They want you in now. They got a FOMO. You trained arms this year yet? Four. That's fighting words right there. That's actually fighting talk. You're gonna get punch up. That's it. Me and you got beef now. Forever. It's on site, Eugene. It's actually on site. 3 minutes here, chat. If we can get a push up during NYSE, right, and then a flip on this 30-minute candle, I wouldn't be too scared of taking sells. I'm in Cyprus in 2 weeks. No, you're not, bro. How are you always on holiday? But you're not in Cyprus in 2 weeks. If you are, I promise you, you're getting knocked out the moment I see you. Literally the second I see you. You won't even see me. Like, literally, you're gonna... I'm just gonna do it from behind. Sucker punch. Pure sucker punch. You're gonna get to the airport. I'm gonna be, like, hidden behind passport control. So when you walk out, like, you're gonna walk out like this. I'm just gonna... Fuck! That's it. Game over. Goodbye, Eugene. No more OTs for you. I'll be driving the plane. Nuh-uh. 2 minutes, chat. Yeah, driving the plane is crazy. Bro, shadowboxing again? No, I'm not. I'm not. I just... Oh, grr. Yeah, top wick here is really nice. Well, if SG was smart, we would know I'm in his cupboard right now. That's the worst spelling of cupboard I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, we weren't even close, bro. You got like 2 of the letters right. Cupboard is crazy, you know. Cupboard. Yeah, that is Q-Bard. That's what you spelled out there, Q-Bard. Chat, this 30, man. I wanted to see a bigger pullback, to be honest. No way. Chat, if this closes no bottom wick. Kabode. Copyard. Chat, 30 seconds here. Lock it in, man. Focus up. This 30-minute needs to pull back, otherwise it's cooked. If this 30 closes no bottom wick, I've got no clue. I've got a problem with this T on Wayne. Chat, need a pullback. Oh my days, man. Yeah, there is an echo, I think. I have to put a noise gate on here. Chat. Like, honestly, no bottom. There's nothing I can do here. That is clean as well. It's so clean. This 30 flips, it rips down, right? But it closed no bottom wick. There's no trade for me here. Unfortunately, there's no trade. I'm gonna have to call it. I'm not waiting another hour here, chat. That's gonna be it from me, man. You're re-breaking the highs as well. I think this pushes back up. That is pure AIDS price action. By the way, I fixed the delay echo thing. Chat, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. By the way, I got a new video coming out in 30 minutes. Make sure you go watch that shit. Oh, you flipped here, chat. Watch this rip. Chat, just one bottom wick. We just needed one. Like, we just needed a bottom wick. We would have been in there. We would have been in there so clean. But chat, it is what it is, man. Look, nothing I can do. If my setup doesn't print, I can't take a trade, right? You can't get pissed off about it. You can't get annoyed. Just, it's just a part of the game, unfortunately. Oh my days. Nice little 50 pip 1 minute candle, yeah? Holy Sigma. Discipline? Exactly, calm, exactly. Thought you were after the sell since it closed below? Yeah, I was, bro, but it closed no bottom wick. Like, if this candle, 30-minute candle, had any form of bottom wick, we would have taken the sells, right? But it had no bottom wick. Which is like the #1 sign that I can't take the trade, right? That's like one of my main confluences. We have your parcel? What? I haven't ordered a parcel, bro. Anyway, chat. Listen, drop a like if you haven't already. We're going to call it there. No trades, unfortunately. It made the move without a wick. So be it. Chat. Play the GeoGuessr and we'll call it a session. Remember to watch that new video coming out later as well. Bro, I'm so oh shit. I just started the game without chat. Some people are gonna get left out there. That's my bad. I'll take responsibility for that one. I just clicked it by accident. Right. Chat. That's a toilet. I've seen that before. This is where is it? This is this area, I think. Oh yeah. Chat. It's always this little country. Why is it always that country? Why is it never South Africa? It's always that little Lesotho place. I don't even know what that is. That is gorgeous though, wherever this is. Madeira? Oh, that's a shout, actually. Where is Madeira? Somewhere off here, right? Oh, I didn't click. Some American Samoa. Fair enough. But I still would have got no points. Let me get to this town. Can I get to the town or not? Oh, I can. Give me something. This is Balkan as fuck. Somewhere out here. Has to be. Greece? Does not look like Greece. I'll take it there. Chat, 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 chat. By the way, chat, if you do want to get a funded account, using code TRLS gets you 80% off at Apex. They have a sale going on right now. Make sure to use it. What the fuck? This road just came out of nowhere. Code TRLS indeed. What's good, Bedge? How's it going, brother? Chat, I'm in second still, somehow, even though I've been shit in the bed on all these guesses. Chat, I knew we'd fill the range, bro. I'm actually gonna start punching things. Eugene's getting smacked the moment he gets here. I'm joking, I love Eugene, really. Oh, no, I had it. Fuck! Oh, that's just cooked me. Beef, you know? Second place beef. Triz takes the first. I'll take a third. Fuck it. Chat, that was the game, man. Look. Poor. If only it gave it to bottom, okay. But look, no FOMO, none of that type of shit, chat. We didn't get a position here because we had no setup, no other reason. That's it from me, chat. Listen, have a great rest of the day. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.